Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have a Samsung A31, Samsung A31S is have a password, so we don't know password. What is fingerprint? We don't know, so we can reset how. So simply switch off, but we can't switch it off because it's saying is lock your phone, turn on to pin. So how? What we do? Simply lock your SIM card. Insert a SIM card with a password. So let me show you. So here you can see is use a fingerprint or enter a pin. So we don't know. So let me insert a SIM card. So now you will see it's going to change a SIM pin code. You see, enter a SIM card unlock pin 4 to 8 digits. So simply switch off. After switch off phone, press power button and volume up. Volume up, power button. Press and hold it. When you leave it, when you feel vibrate or show logo, so you can leave it simply. Then is that everybody know how we can do. So use power volume keys down and wipe data factory reset, then power key, go down, power key. Okay, now it's done. Now you can restart. It take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute. So wait and wait for it. So it's getting on. It's take time 5 minutes exactly. It's take 5 minutes. So it's asking for my SIM pin code. So let me put. So it's Korean language. So you can change here English. So it's ask for my pin code. So now I have to take it off SIM card. So how I will fix that is the Google account FRP A31, link in description. Watch that video. So like and subscribe my channel. See you next video.